again, I want you guys, it's very important, I want you to focus on whenever a trade you have that your entry is one and the same as your structure point. Every trade that you look on your screen that has the entry the same as the structure point, you will find that it's a big payday. These are the ones that you want to be looking at, focusing, and keep an eye on your radar screen when you're in the room. So the Aussie yen, we're short below the 81.57, and the Aussie lately has been the no-brainer. Just taking those structure points and trading on either side of it would be actually good. So that is your Aussie yen. That is your 81.57. We had the move. It took us all the way down to the 80.55. It turned around and it pushed, and it's moving very smoothly. Breaks the 81.57. It slides all the way down to 80.55. That is your same failure trade, Tony, that I was explaining to you. That is your same failure trades. If we focus, and I'm saying this to Khalid also and stuff like that, if we focus on 2 or 3 trade setups that we like, we don't have to trade every single day. We don't have to trade but if we wait and sit when it lines up like this or it lines up like this and we hit it, then we can capitalize on the move and have a much more relaxed kind of a trading. The more we buy and sell, you're only making the broker richer. Okay, so right here, this, if you're looking at the this chart, we have a sell signal in the yen. We have also a big sell signal on the Aussie. So both of them are quite weak. And now we're sitting at 82, at 80.82. And as you can see here, this is a sell signal. The 2 daily high is 80.84. And the previous daily high is 81.19. So we have a sell signal by failing to stay above the previous daily high, coming down, trading below the 2 daily high, and actually sitting at below the 4 daily lows. So we have like 3 sell signals over here. So we're looking for this thing to continue lower, and I can take the trade below the low of the day. So I can go short below the 80.70. So that is your 80.70 on your intraday right there. So we can go short below the 80.70. So my short is below 80.70. This, I mean, I'll give it an extra 5 pips, and I'll place my stop right at the market side, which is the 80.90. That's going to be my stop, and my structure short point is the 80.55. This is the 80.55 is a big point, and if it goes below it, we're going to continue with the short, and our stop will bring our stop right above the 80.55. Okay, on the long side, I need to find an entry, and as you can see here, we have sell signals. I need to find an entry from the intraday chart. The only place I can buy this thing with any degree of confidence is above these highs. So pretty much over here. So above 81.20, that's the only place I can buy it. Above the 81.20 right there, this will be the place I can buy it, and I can place my stop I have to place it below the market side. There is no other place. So I'm going to buy it above 81.20. And my stop is going to be the 90, the same stop. The 80.90 is going to be the long stop and the short stop. And my structured long point is going to be the 81.57. So I'm going to buy this above 81.20, and if I do, I have a structured long point at 81.57, and my stop is going to be the 80.90. On the short side, which is the high probability trades to the downside, I'm going to go short below 80.70. My structural short point at 80.55, and my stop is 80.90. So I have the same stop for the long or the short position. Okay, that is the Aussie yen. Let me save it.